Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the Candyland board game. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the Candyland board game. It's actually really easy to play and really fun to play. I play this all the time with my kids. They absolutely love it. You have the board itself, you have your player icons over here, your player stands over here, and then you have the spinner, and it's literally that simple. So essentially, however many players are playing, they're gonna choose one person to be. So let's say that these two players are playing, okay? You're gonna start over here where it says start, very simple. So you're gonna start right over here. And you're gonna decide who goes first. And essentially, they're gonna spin the spinner, okay? And it's gonna land somewhere. So let's spin this one time. Okay, it landed. Actually, we'll spin it again just because that's a bad example to start with. That's a really good spin, but it's a bad example. We'll spin it again. It landed on the double blue. Now, the double blue means you go to not the first blue, but the second blue that you see. So you go to the first blue, the second blue, because it's a double blue. Okay, let's say the next player spun. Okay, they landed on the purple. So they would go to the first purple that they see. So you're gonna go wherever it shows. Now, if you land on a spot that goes and it shows an arrow, then you're gonna go and slide down to the next spot. So let's say I landed on this yellow, it shows an arrow, I would slide down to that purple and it shows that I can continue on this way over here. Okay, so you're gonna keep moving and the goal is to make it to the King Candy's castle over here, okay? So the first person to end up on this space over here wins. And at the end, you can spin any color as long as you end up there. So let's say I'm on, basically if you're on any of these colors, okay? It looks like from purple all the way to red over here. You have purple, yellow, blue, orange, green, red. All of these are the last colors of their type. So whatever you spin, if you're on these, you're gonna end up on this one right here. You can spin any color and it will bring you here. Basically, I mean, well, technically if you're on purple and you spin a red, you'll end up on red, right? But so like you wanna end up over here, essentially, that's the goal. So you need to spin, I guess the same color that you're currently on in order to end up over there. So let's say I was on green, and I spun another green, that would bring me to there, okay? And I would win. Let's say I was on blue, and I spun another blue, it would bring me to there. Let's say I was on blue, and I spun a purple, right? There's no purple ahead of me, so the next purple would be this multicolored square right here. So the goal is to end up there. On the spinner, there are also extra spots that are much smaller. Lollipop, little candy, peanut, ice cream, right? And if you spin one of those, you land on that spot. So let's say I spun the lollipop, I would automatically go to the lollipop, which is over here, right? So, and that's basically it. That's how to play the game. Really, really easy, really, really fun. If you like this video, please be sure to give it, before I finish, you start here, you move to the color or the spot, and your goal is to end up here. That's the summary of it. You start here, you continue spinning and moving your way across the board. Your goal is to end up here. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.